What were the most powerful concepts that you learned today, that you practiced?
I mean, I have to say I loved everything. I think everyone got something out of each drill, so thank you so much for this whole day. It has been terrific.
Being able to practice with a couple strangers outside the industry really helps solidify what I'm saying and how clear it can be or can't be.
Stephanie gave me some great feedback that clarity and detail and responses is really important too.
If you enter every conversation with a confident mindset and are constantly thinking about that framework, a lot of these other pieces will fall into place.
I think we're decent communicators, but to go from decent to really effective, I think can be hugely game-changing for how effective we can be in our roles and where we go with our careers.
How it affects culture and performance. Not just you personally, but all the people around you and how they operate and talk and present themselves.
This was the appetizer, and I still want the main course because it takes a lot of practice, I think, to do this.
Always it's refreshing to learn new tricks.
Learned so much to take away, so much to think on. It was hard to pick just one.
The day passed by too fast. There's a lot of content in there, but it's easy to refer to.
These are systems. These are systems that you can use to make your life easier. You saw it on videos, you saw it from the people at your table, you did it yourself. So it's there, and you will see tremendous impact from what we did today.